Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to activate voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to Roblox app. So friends, just tap on three dot over here and go to settings, go to privacy. In privacy, if you want to activate your voice chat, scroll down and just go over here and enable mic from here. Just tap on it and tap on it to enable again, and just tap on this enable button to enable it for voice chat purpose. And once you enable it, and so you can use voice chat in the Roblox game. But if you don't see this option from microphone, you just need to come out of this uh, privacy and go to in account info. In account info, basically you just need to verify your age and by using your photo ID, and also it will ask you to say take selfie as well. And once you upload both the things on Roblox, your age will be verified and the mic will be available in the privacy section. If you want to use mic voice chat over in the Roblox game, just tap on this Roblox icon here and just tap on this mic over here. Just tap on it and your voice chat will be start. Now you can talk to anyone, and you can also tap on mic over here. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.